This is a Murray. It is a blower and vacuum, 2-in-1, 12,000 RPM USB-C YKT8 unit. We have here is the unit. It has a locking mechanism on the front and the back. So if you grab the red handle, it comes off so you can add your attachments and you can place back on. And you could take out the cleaning part. You can see the little area to grab. You give it a little twist and you take everything apart and clean it all up. It all fits into this little area here, a notched, and you're going to push in and resubmit back in and lock it down. Now when you turn the unit on with the bottom button here, long press, you can see the lights. And it is blowing in the back. Now, if you hit the front button, it shows the light. Now, we need to switch to the front blower. And how do we do that? You're going to grab the top, hold the bottom, and you're going to give a nice twist. And then you're going to press the same buttons as you pressed before. And this will suck in. Let's demonstrate on the keyboard the mess we have. Okay, so what we have here is a mess, and we need to put a pot on it. So we're going to grab this one with the brush, and we're able to use it as a brush by opening it up or using it as a suction. So we're going to turn the unit on. Going to turn it on high. And I want to use the brush. I'm all done. And it takes in everything, as you can see right there, into the cleaner. Simply remove everything. And now go to the trash can and throw all that away. If you need to clean the micron screen as well to get everything off, you can do so with the different types of brushes they give, as you can see. And if we want to put on something a little different, we take the cap off and we put the piece on. It kind of locks into place with an arrow. It's telling you where it's pointing to. In order to clean, we need to take the red cover off. These won't fit on and stay on. There's a locking E-ring inside. And you can see there's a locking mechanism here telling you to take off. And there is a little arrow that's pointing to the areas of where the clips go, right over here. My thumb is at. And when you slide this on and turn it, it clicks and you're ready to use. The cover doesn't go on. As you can see, it won't lock in 100%. When you're all finished using, then you would take the cover. So you're going to twist the handle and clean the keyboard and blow away. Just to show you the strength of the blower, plug into a USB source for the first time. Allow the unit to charge. To remove it, you just pull it and put the red cover back on and off you go. You get all these attachments. You get an attachment with a little scoop and a brush. You get something to blow a raft up with. You get something to blow a big mattress up with, and even a wider nozzle for those things, and something that's really nice and tight. Easy for storage, take where you need to have, and I hope your product is something that you are looking for to clean up your area.